There you go, canteen's open now.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
There you are, Del Boy. Your immunity from prosecution signed by the superintendent himself.
What are you playing at, Del?
What are they doing here?
Oh, I thought it'd be interesting for them to see you in your real light. The great Del Boy. The man who could talk his way out of a room with no doors. Reduced to this, grassing.
God, tell him, Rodney. He's got me all ends up. I got no choice.
But you don't know his name, Dill. He was just a bloke in the market.
I'll leave it out, Grandad. If Mr. Slater was to believe our descriptions, he'd have his men searching for someone who's a cross between Tom Thumb and the Jolly Green Giant.
Or with a deaf aid.
Deaf aid. Rodney, I wasn't doing it just for myself. He threatened to plant something on you and set you up for a bit of bird.
That is against the law.
Phone the police.
Don't tell him, Del.
I've got to, Rodney. Otherwise it'll mean you and me go down the road and Grandad's going to be left alone on the estate, see? I got no choice. I got no choice. Right, Mr. Slater, let's get down to business.
Oh, Del. Del Boy, those words are music to my ears. I will cherish this moment. Righto, Del. Who nicked it?
They are free to go, aren't they?
Yeah, they're free to go, no charges. They can leave whenever they like. OK, give me his name.
You got nothing on me either.
No, you've got an immunity from prosecution. You've got less chance of a pull than the Queen.
As long as I know.
Right. For the third and last time of asking, who nicked the microwave off the back of the lorry?
I did.